Hi there, my friends. This is Jebb Adams. I just wanted to say hi to all the gals and guys that are back again. If this is your first time, hope you enjoy it. And if you're back again, thanks for returning. I hope you get some value out of the fun we have here. So right away, I have the Camstack from the 401 from Dennis, the train wreck. He came out of the condemned house, right? Or it came out of the condemned house. And so here's all the steel parts from the Camstack. The only thing that came from the Camstack that I'm not putting in there is the spring washer that holds the cams, the fashion discs in up top. It's kind of got a covering or a plating or something, so I didn't want to put that in there. And then of course I don't want to put the fashion disc in there because it can be cleaned in soap and water. So what I'm going to do is put a bunch of, and this is just the Camstack and the screws and the gear, and yeah. So, and then there's the handwheel stuff, which is going in the water as well. So I'll just get the crud cutter and I'll gently spray like that. I'm going to take that out of, you know what, that'll be okay in there. And this is 100% crud cutter. I haven't diluted it or put any other soap or additives in with it or anything like that. Well, that one's really grimy. Really grimy. And then I'll make sure, oh boy, isn't that dirty? See that? It's really dirty. Everything's dirty. Okay, we'll start with that and we'll leave that there for a minute. I gotta get a paper towel to wipe my hands off. So we'll let that soak with that. And then what I have in this big container is a little bit of water with dishwashing liquid. And so we had taken apart the hand wheel. And you know what? I'm just going to get a Q-tip and get some of this grunge out of there before maybe it will be a case of having to let it soak in there. That's pretty filthy. Okay, so that's what we'll do. We'll put that there. I'll get a brush. And we'll get this soapy water. And even better, what we'll do is we'll get some dishwashing liquid right here. Oops, geez, that's noisy, isn't it? And we'll just douse the whole thing in it. The mean clean machine. Anyway, so ooh, there's a big stain up there. But you know what? I think this water and dishwashing liquid is getting it. And even right there where I'm just going back and forth, I can see it's coming off. So that's pretty good. What's on this side? Well, some more dirt. Excuse me, whoever would have thunk, eh? More dirt, imagine that. So if we got more dirt, then we'll get more soap. Oh good, we got it right in those grooves and all those closed places. Oh my goodness, this poor machine has been grimy for so long. That's what it is, it's just aged right in. You know, it's a good thing we're getting it spruced up a little bit here, I think, you know. Yeah. So I may have to, well, I don't necessarily have to get some more water. Do you know why, my friends? Because I have this 950 milliliter dishwashing liquid container full of water, so I can just, and then I can put, what have I got in there so far? I've just got that, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to leave that in there by itself, and I'm going to pour some more soap in there, and now I'm going to pour some more water. And what else did I say I was going to put in the water? I was going to put that in, and I was going to put that in, but I'm going to leave them for now. Right? So I got some more water in there now, and let me dry off my plastic glove a little bit. Let me do one other thing I wanted to do while we're all here together. My friends, it's just a small treat, but I'm just going to raise the camera up to there. And then I have this stuff. It's for all conditions chain loop for bicycles. And so I'm just going to take this. Spray that in there like that. And then I'll get this in. There. What the heck? One last blast at the back there. Excuse me. But crud cutter makes me cough too. But anyway, so we gave that another dousing of oil. Let me get in here quickly and scrub this piece off. We'll get some of the tools here and a paintbrush. I forgot to bring you back with me. Sorry, dudes and dudettes. What a klutz, eh? So yes. I wondered why it was so easy to see what I was doing when I don't have to dance around the tripod. So we got that. Now where's the toothy brush? So it is coming clean. It's coming clean pretty good, actually. Whoa. Now there's still a lot of stuff in there. I think that's almost too big. So we'll try the other end of the baby bottle scrub brush. That might be a little bit too big too. Let me try one of these newfangled ones that I got recently. See if it works any better. Well, you know, I'm a big believer in using toothbrushes. So that's what I like doing. We've made some good cleaning. We've had some good cleaning success here. There are still some little parts, well, especially up here, right here, that needs to be cleaned. That's all stain. And then down in there still, and in the corners, you know. So, and it has to be done now while it's off, and then this side is even worse, really. But the inside is pretty good there. So, let me get a shop towel here. So there's still some stain in there, and like on the finish or paint there. So I'm just going to dry this off, pat dry it with a towel, get the hair dryer, and dry it thoroughly, and then oil it thoroughly, and then clean it again. See if the oil, when we oil it thoroughly, we'll see, excuse me, we'll see if that releases the dirt. Nice. So I will edit that long drying session out of there. So now I'm just going to oil it well and let it sit and soak. And I can let it sit for a little while or for a long while. But I want to get this one, oh geez, yeah, there's more dirt there. I do want to get them done, they're beautiful. I'm running out of oil on this thing already. Yeah, I'm running out of oil already. So we'll put that there. We'll put the grubby, soapy water over there. And now, oh, we've still got those to deal with. Well, well, well. Well, let's get some more soap. there. So they're in, that's 100% soap detergent. And then these dudes here and dudettes have an eye. I'm going to move the tripod forward a little. Let's move this light down a bit. Let's re-aim this light a bit. And so what we're going to do is we're going to give this a scrub with the crud cutter and the brush, toothbrush. This is disc number 1, the bottom disc. It's coming nice and clean. I think what I'm going to do, oops, didn't want to do that. I want to put crud cutter on there. I'm going to put a bunch of crud cutter in there, and there. Because I want to submerge that here. Oh, that's nice. Might as well throw those other guys in there too. Let them get into some clean crud cutter as well. Besides, I gotta play with them and fish them around and all that, so I want them nice and shiny too. Anyway, so that clean continues. I'm just going to keep going here. And, oops, I got some screws in there. Don't forget those. No, I'm just going to keep going. I'm not going to stop. And I need a shop towel to wipe my glove off. Okay, my friends, let me see what I can do with this fellow again. That's nice. There was a bit of crud on this side at the top there. It's gone now. So this side is good. Want to make sure we get the edge. Get the inside, nice. And then I'm just going to drop this in the soapy water. There's nothing there that I see to scrub, but we'll do the inside there. Make sure we got those all the inside of the holes. This is number 4, it says. So yeah, they're coming clean. They're not as grimy and filthy as we all started out with. So this is a happy thing. What number is this? I lost the number. It's number 2, right down here. That number 2 is starting to look pretty nice, isn't it? Put it in the soap and water. A little bit of a scrub-a-dub there. Number 4, I think. That's nice and clean. What is number 6, I think? There, we'll throw that in there. And then I push my glasses back up on my nose. What else have I got in there? I got some more discs. I do have a disc. There, isn't that pretty? More discs, more discs. This is an interesting disc. Do you know what disc this is, my friends? It's disc number 7. Why is it interesting? Because not only does it have the number 7 in its number place, but it also has the reference line where to set it when you want to match it up with the worm gear, so that it all meshes correctly. So, what else have I got in here? I've got this dude here. I'll throw it in there. What else have I got? I got that